on my third egg here. Hopefully I don't get anything in the blender because I'm not cracking into a bowl first. You probably should. Okay, so there we go. We've got 4 eggs. We're ready to get started with the next part. Now you get your flour. There's your 1 cup of white flour. And then you're gonna get 1 cup of milk. I'm gonna shake my farm fresh milk because it's not homogenized. Get your 1 cup of milk. Now you're gonna get your 2 tablespoons of sugar, not teaspoons, tablespoons. 1, 2, and then you're just gonna get a couple dashes of salt. A couple dashes. You don't wanna add too much. And you're gonna blend this in a minute. In the meantime, your oven is preheating. Mine is almost done because I started it early. So I'm gonna go ahead and take about a tablespoon of butter. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in the pan. Okay, so you're just gonna let that melt for a few while you're blending it up. It will stick to the sides, so you use your nice scraper doodad. It should be a little bit, frothy, but not too frothy. You don't have to blend it forever. Now you're gonna take your blended mix. If you have one like mine, you'll probably wanna take this out so that you don't end up with it in your pan. The oven is at 425, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out, and I'm gonna pour that right in there. I'm going to right away grab my blackberries and sprinkle some in there, just like so. So now you're gonna go ahead and slide or put that back in. You're going to bake it for about 20 minutes. As you'll see, it's puffed up quite nicely. Okay, so we're gonna take our lemon juice. You can use concentrated or fresh squeezed. I'm just gonna use concentrated right now because I didn't get any lemons due to this quarantine. So we'll just sprinkle some powdered sugar on, and then the icing on the cake is the nutmeg. And there's our Dutch baby. It's a really, really tasty breakfast. And that's how you make a Dutch baby. Thank you for joining us on this quarantine Saturday.